How to withdraw Temu credit balance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Temu on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on You at the bottom, which is in the middle. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Credit Balance and you'll be able to view your credit balance. But if you want to withdraw, what you can do is go to the first page and click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Your Payment Methods. After you click on Your Payment Methods, in here you can add your credit card and you will be able to withdraw Temu credit balance. This is how to withdraw Temu credit balance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.